Hey, what's up everyone, this is Wicked, and today I have the honor and the pleasure to show you this greatest panorama, of course, but also the most versatile and beautiful CM-ROM I have ever tested for my Galaxy S4. And let me show you this after I enter my PIN. Okay guys, this is the latest GDC team CM13 optimized build for the Galaxy S4. And yep, it's the best one yet. Period. This is the best CM13 ROM you'll get on your Samsung Galaxy S4 for now. And there are a couple of bunch of features that this ROM comes with, and they are so great. And this ROM behaves so fast, so smooth, and it's so less ROM than it used to eat before, that I have to call it the best CM13 ROM you'll ever find for your Galaxy S4 right now. So let me get to this really quick, and I'll start by showing you how fast it behaves and how fast it is browsing through all these screens. I have flashed the stock Gaps package with all the Google apps you'll ever find on a Nexus device and so on. So these are all the apps that you will find, docs, sheets, slides, drive, keep, music apps, Google related apps, and so on. And here are all the widgets you'll get, most of them actually, because I didn't have the proper time to put all of them on my home screen. But I've done this to show you how fast it moves, how fast it moves, and how fast it behaves while multitasking through all of these apps. So let me just show you, for example, how smooth it is. We're gonna quickly open up the calculator, then we'll open up a clock application, then we'll open up file manager, for example, then we'll open up the feed application, then we'll open up the FX application, which is also an file manager, which will request something. Welcome to FX. And we'll open up, for example, music player, and then we'll open up what else? Phone application, and Play Store, of course. Let me just load it up. And themes, because I have to show you what theme am I running right now, and I consider this to be the most minimalistic and the greatest theme ever. And Toolbox, which is a GDC theme trademark application. I said that this is the best theme. Well, you guys may be wondering, well, you said that a long time ago you like dark themed themes, and because they eat less battery life and so on. Yep, I like, but I also like themes that are that kind of minimalistic, which impress me so much that I can't get past the dark preference of mine. Okay, this theme is a let me just show you. So we'll open up themes. This is the Android M theme you're gonna get by doing this, and then this is the first one here. You already see how fast it went from application to application. The Android M theme gives you the latest Android experience in terms of user interface. So you have here the same icons you'll find and the same textures you'll find on the Android app, for example. This is no longer something, there was some roundish, icons here, some roundish menus. Everything is now flat and squared, and it looks damn better. These minimalistic details make me want more this theme than a dark theme with round edges. This looks really great. And you also got the latest Android N icons, as you may see here. And you may have also seen in the drawer. The drawer is, by the way, the launcher actually is the Google Now launcher. Now, they switched to this vertical scrolling option. To be fair, I don't really like it, but it's not something that will disturb me afterwards. It's great, it's smooth, I don't have any problems with it. And also includes some of the latest applications you opened, which is great. Okay, so I was talking about the performance. Let's just switch back and forth between some apps. As you may see, so smooth animations, so smooth. I'm recording right now at 60 frames per second, and you may see how smooth the transitions are, the scrolling effects are. So I open up clock. Let's open up again. Clock. Okay. Let's open up, for example, right now, the music player. Open up really quickly. And I also added the free RAM bar right here and disabled the Google search bar because I won't use it while, scrolling, switching back and forth between apps. The file manager and Fit, for example, opened up really quick and fast. What else? Play Store, again, quick and fast. Let's get into Toolbox, again, welcome back, quick and fast. They are so great. This ROM is so great. Believe me, it is so damn beautiful and fast and smooth. I almost lost my words when I first flashed it because there are so many options, and I will get to prepare yourself for a long review, guys, because there are a bunch of features that I want to be going through. And first of all, instead of performance, let me just browse to some news right now, because I got that new stand-up widget there. So Michael Phelps. Okay, some Olympics news, highlights. Got my drive widget, my settings widget right now. And okay, so the camera is here, the default camera. Let me open it. As you may see, works perfectly without a miss. Restaurant right there. Let's focus on restaurant. It's great. And you also have panorama mode, lens blur, video, and photosphere. Okay, so camera works fine. Everything actually works fine. I couldn't find a bug right now. Maybe I'll find during this review. I haven't got the time to really test it to the maximum value, but I'll give you my fair impression after I've done this review. Okay, I'm done with this review. Okay, you also have screen recorder. So for your trolls, for your haters who want to, record your screen of your device to impress your girls or something, just make sure, I'm just telling you to make sure you have this ability without doing any customizations on your device. Sorry for the background noise, guys. Okay, so let's talk about the customizability of this ROM, because this is a really strong plus this ROM comes with. So settings. So the first one is themes. I told you earlier I installed the Android N theme. You can install as many themes as you want, and you may switch back and forth between them depending on what mood you're in. So yeah, this is a very nice touch. Now, lock screen. You have here one of the best feature I ever found, and I don't know if it's CM related or it's included on any other ASP ROMs, but the live lock screen bodies, the colors, this thing is kind of a live wallpaper for lock screens. And take a look at how beautiful it is. Take a look at these animations, these transitions. This is so satisfying. While looking at your wallpaper, at your lock screen, and you see this, wiggling. It's so great. I don't know if I can, this seems to be a long list here. I don't know if I can, you know, search more on Google Play Store, more live lock screen effects, but I will try and I'll report to you right down in the comment section. You also can add a lock screen message. A lock screen, you can customize the lock screen wallpaper, another important feature that you couldn't find on most regular CM ROMs. Lock screen shortcuts, of course, display music visualizer, show weather, and so on, the default features. But this caught my eyes. Really, this got into my heart. The live lock screens are great. Okay, you have here buttons. You can customize the hardware keys, the power button, the answer call. You can choose whatever you want to do when you long press, the menu key, the option key, and you can also add gestures. You can walk the screen when you receive notification, hand wave, pulse notification on hand wave. This is really interesting. I want to test it. Pulse notification or removal from pocket, proximity wake, wake device on hand wake, wake device on hand wake. This is really interesting. Let's see if it works like here. Yep, it works. As you may see. Oh, yep, it works. And let's just test out the hand wave to pulse notification on hand wave. Let's see. Yeah, this is more minimalistic, guys. This is really interesting feature. So as you may see, it shows you it doesn't turn on the screen. It just shows you the notification. So, for example, if you're late night and you know, you wake up, drink some water, some juice maybe, and you just want to check out the notification, you just don't have to turn on that bright screen and blind you. You just wave your hand and everything is going to be okay, and you will be able to safely read your notifications if you can't sleep, of course. So this is a really interesting feature. Battery. Okay. Whoa, what is that? This thing, I don't know. Maybe it's a new feature. Speaking of battery life, I started this review I think at about 91%, it's 88%. I would rather say that this is also a great battery saver ROM. It runs AutoCAD kernel, and with some customizable options you'll be able to switch in kernel editor application and S-Twix. You will be able to get some really nasty battery life. And by nasty I mean really huge improved battery life experience. Okay, let's get back into the settings. Again, switch back and forth between. Okay, security. Here you have the usual settings you'll get on any Android phone, and of course memory. You will be able to see the average memory use. As you may see, 844 megabyte of RAM. And let's get into the personal. As you may see, I'm running Google Now Launcher, as I told you before. You have the usual CM system profiles, and you have system status bar right now, and this will be related to this part of the screen. You can customize actually hide or show the status bar icons. Oh wait, for me, I'm getting a call. So I'm back. As you saw, you have also the floating notification messages. As you saw, I was getting an incoming call and it appeared right here. So let's get back into the status bar. You can hide or show some specific icons. The default clock style is right, but you can set it to center. Battery icon style by default is circle. I set it to icon portrait. Battery percentage, brightness control, show notification count, quick pull down from right. I set it, so just scroll down the wall notification panel. Okay, apps, accounts, Google, privacy, weather, and optimize CM settings. As I showed you earlier, S2X and toolbox. You can hide data usage summary, double tap to lock screen in order to lock the device. Super user indicator, network traffic, and as you may see, more tweaks will come soon. Now let's get into the notification bar. Let me focus properly. And this is a notification bar. Here you'll be able to add as many settings as you want. The default ones, you can edit tiles and click this plus here. And as you may see, there are tons and tons of features that you can add. Also the invert colors option. Oh, sorry, I have to click done. Okay, themes. You can add you can make your device hotspot, flashlight, working perfectly. Battery saver. Okay, let's see what is this all about. So battery saver feature will turn on automatically, and what this does is it is gonna, as you may see, you won't have any animations right now, so it completely disables the animations, so it will save some GPU power. Turn off. Okay. Well, caffeine, I don't know what it in the world means, but I guess it's kind of a timer to know the break time you took in order to get back to your work. But then I pressed again and it gives me 10 minutes and then 30 minutes and then infinity. And I think this is a troll right here, because this option is for those people who never get back to work. Okay, so infinity mode, and if I long press, I won't get anything. So if you figure out what is this with the feature caffeine called, please make sure you write down in the comment section and let me know. Okay, beautiful wallpaper which comes with the theme itself. And I think that's pretty much it about this ROM. Again, let me show you the informations. So about phone, as I told you, ROM, okay, GDC team, test team, Android version 6.0.1, optimized CM13, build date 6th of August 2016. Okay, of course, with this ROM you also get the privacy menu, which will allow you to customize the permissions for different apps. They will ask you before if you want to use the camera. For example, a camera will pop up here with a toast message and ask you if you want to use the camera or not. Calculator again, not such a problem. Such a thing, I couldn't find any bug with this ROM, believe me. Instead of that Bluetooth problem related to the sound, but I also got in Aroma, because this ROM comes with Aroma installer into TeamWin recovery. The Viper for Android is the best sound customizing application you'll ever find for Android. I made a video about that, and you have to install the driver. But I don't know if I can customize that bug with the sound in Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth is working perfectly. I hadn't had any buffering issues. Everything is working as it should be. So, yep, that was kind of it. In toolbox section, you'll get some settings, issue reports, Ledify. And I also like this thing. Sorry, I have to allow. Okay. I like this LED, pattern when every color just blinks out. On and off. So that was it for today, guys, with this beautiful ROM. Let's give it a mark. Performance. 9 out of 10. Customizability, 10 out of 10. Battery life, maybe 8 to 9 out of 10. This is a great ROM for daily usage. This is a great ROM, taking in mind that it's a CM13 ROM and bugs may occur over time. But believe me, this optimized version is the best CM13 ROM you'll ever find for your Galaxy S4 right now, period. Okay, so that was it for today. I hope you like it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe right now to my channel. And also, if you have any questions, further questions related to this ROM or any other ROMs that I may answer, please make sure you post right down in the comment section. All the links related to this ROM are listed in the description. Please make sure you visit that also. And as also, stay tuned for more Android reviews related to my Galaxy S4. Thank you for watching, guys. Wicked is out. Bye bye.